Good morning!
I'm your radio teacher,
I am your science buddy.
and I'll give you an exciting lesson that you'll surely enjoy.
Sci Talks Radio. Education must continue.
Learning is a great avenue.
No one will be left behind.
With new normal comes new learning.
New method, new way of understanding.
Keep on learning.
Keep on achieving,
There's no way of hindering.
enriching one's dream.
This is Sci Talks Radio,
your number one source of science education.
Conveying a half an hour of quality scientific teaching on air.
This is
Sci Talks Radio.
Good day, young scientists of grade 4. How are you? You're listening to DEP at Radyo Eskwela, your school on air in science. Wow! I'm glad and excited to be with you today for our new and exciting episode. I am your radio teacher, Ma'am Johanna Arcaro from the Division of Isabela. Be sure that you're in your most comfortable seat and that your radio is in good volume and condition. Now, bring out your module and pen and be ready to enjoy the challenges this module has provided us. Oh, yeah! Before we proceed to our next lesson, you will answer my questions first to make sure you have understood your past lesson about the changes of materials when hammered or cut. What happens when a material is cut? You're right. There is a change in the shape, size, and form of a material. Listen carefully to the next question. Was there a new material formed when solid materials are cut or hammered? Wow! I can hear your loud voice and you got it right. Wow! There's no material formed when solid materials are cut or hammered. This time, let's check your answers on our previous quiz. Are you ready, kids? Oh yeah! I know you are excited, so let's start. Make sure to check your answers honestly, okay?
Okay!
For set A, your task is to write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Are you ready? For number 1, you're right. T is the correct answer. Number 2, T. Third number. The correct answer is F. For number 4, T. And for the fifth number, it's letter F. Let's proceed to set B. On this part, your task is to write the correct letter of your choice on your notebook. Let's begin. Number 1, C. Number 2, C. Number 3, D. Number 4, letter A. And for number 5, it's letter A. Are you done checking, kids? Great! Did you check your answers honestly? I know you did. How did you find your quiz? I'm sure you did your best and I'm happy to find out that you did a great job. For those who got a high score, keep up the good work. And for those who think they got a not satisfying score, do your best today. Buckle up because we are about to begin our exciting lesson after this short break.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Ngayon ba ang kaarawan mo? Hindi! Hinuhugasan ko lamang ng mabuti ang aking kamay. Sabi ng DOH, 2 happy birthday songs daw upang makaiwas tayo sa COVID-19. Wow! Ang galing naman! Simula ngayon, maghuhugas na ako ng kamay habang umaawit ng happy birthday. Ang inyong kalinisan at disiplina ang magliligtas sa inyo. Isang paalala mula sa DOH, DepEd at ng himpilang ito.
Hello again, my dear learners. Teacher Hannah is back. I know all of you are now ready because your next activities will help you describe the changes in the properties of the materials when they are exposed to different temperatures. What do you think will happen to the materials when they are heated or cold? Oh, I heard different answers, and that is what we are going to investigate. This time, be sure that you are with someone to guide you. Are you? Okay, very good. Some of you are with your parents, elder sister, elder brother, and your guardian. Now, bring out the things I asked you to prepare last time. What are those again? You're right. These are pans, stove or native wood stove, floor wax or candle wax, and ice cube. Are you ready to follow my instructions? All right, you're all ready. Remember to take an extra care in putting the materials over the flame because you might get burned. Do you understand? Okay, listen now. Put your pans over a stove or a native wood stove, whatever you are using right now. You get it? Very good. Slowly, put a small piece of floor wax or candle wax on the first pan and the ice cube on the second pan. Heat both pans over a low fire. Are you done heating them? Of course, yes. Now, observe what happens. Alright, I know you already observed them and I believe you are ready to answer the following questions. Are you? Oh, how nice! I can hear all your positive responses. Therefore, write your answers in your notebook. Listen carefully to the questions. First one is, describe the appearance of the wax and the ice cube at the start of the activity. So, what is your answer? You're right. The wax and ice got melted. The next question is, what changes happened to the piece of wax and the ice cube after they were exposed to heat? Can I hear your answer? Wow, you did it right. They changed their size, shape, and texture. Now, let's proceed to the last question. Why is there a change in the appearance of the wax and ice cube? What did you write in your notebook? Yes, you got it. There is a change in the appearance because they were heated. Alright, we're done with the first activity. How did you find it? Wow, you really enjoyed it. Now, let's have another activity. You have to bring out your crayon and follow my instructions. Are you ready? Yes, I can feel your energy. That's what I want. You are always ready. Here is my instruction. Listen carefully to the situation that I'm going to read. Draw a flower if there is a change in shape. Draw a triangle if there is a change in size. Draw a circle if there is no change. And draw a square if there is a change in both size and shape. Did you understand? Very good. All of you are really excellent. Let's start with number 1. It is candle to melted candle. Is there a change in size? How about the shape? Is there no change at all? Or there is a change in both size and shape? Draw your answer now. What's your answer? Very good. It's a flower because there is a change in shape only. For number 2, the situation is chocolate bar to bent chocolate bar. What do you think is the change occurred? Draw your answer. What did you draw? You're correct. It's triangle because there is a change in size. Let's proceed to number 3, which is candle wrapper to torn wrapper. Do you think there's a change in size? Shape? A change in both size and shape? Or no change at all? Write your answer now. What shape did you draw? You got it! It's circle because there is no change happened. We're almost there. Number 4. Tin can to hammered tin can. Is there a change in size or shape? Is there a change in both size and shape? Or there is no change happened? Draw now your answer. What did you draw? Excellent! It's a square because there is a change or there are changes in both size and shape. The last item is modeling clay to pressed. What changes will happen? Write your answer now. So, what's the answer? Wow, you did it right. It's a square again because there are changes in both size and shape. I believe everybody learned from our lesson today. Am I right? Excellent! I can hear your loud voice saying yes. So, what have you learned today? Wow! I'm glad to hear that you learned about changes happening when materials are heated. Anyway, what changes happened when a material was heated? Great! A material changes in size. What else? You're right. It also changes its shape texture, and even its form. You're doing great job, kids! Now, can you name 5 materials that changes its size and shape when cooled after being applied with heat? If yes, then write your answer in your notebook. I think some of you have written wax, ice, chocolate, ice cream, and butter. Well, those are correct. Let's proceed to our short quiz after this break.
Mare, narinig mo na ba ang tungkol sa online distance learning ng DepEd? Ano ba ito? Ay oo, Mare! Ang online distance learning ay isang pamamaraan kung saan maihahatid ng mga guro ang kaalaman para sa mga anak natin sa tulong ng teknolohiya gaya ng internet, laptop, computer, at cellphone. Ganun ba, Mare? Oo, Mare. Hindi magkakasama at magkakaharap ang mga estudyante at mga guro. Maaaring matuto ang mga bata sa pamamagitan ng online na pagkatuto. Isang mensahe mula sa kagawaran ng edukasyon at ng himpilang ito.
Hello again, grade 4 learners. Your radio teacher is back. Did you enjoy your activities? I'm pretty sure you enjoyed them, and I believe that you're now ready for a quiz. Bring out your quiz notebook and pen. Again, sit comfortably and listen carefully to the directions. Let's proceed to our quiz. It is true or false. You just have to draw a star if the statement is true and write X if it is not. What will you draw if the statement is true? Very good! You'll draw a star. How about if it's not true? You're right. You'll write an X. Are you ready? Here is the number 1 statement. All materials change their size, shape, and texture when cooled. Okay, number 2 statement is chocolate bar changes its form from solid to liquid when heated. I believe you're ready for the 3rd statement. Here it is. Margarine, in its liquid form, will turn to solid when cooled. 4th statement is some materials when cooled change in size, shape, and texture. We're now on the last item. Number 5 statement is some materials when heated change in size, shape, and texture. How was your quiz, class? I know you did your best. Don't get too excited, kids, because we're going to check your answers on our next episode. Please submit your quiz form to your teacher on time. If you have suggestion or song requests, write it down too. Is that clear? Congratulations for successfully accomplishing our lesson today. Because of that, let us all stand up and join me as we sing the song entitled Move Like a State of Matter.
Stand up, get ready to move. Move like a state of matter. Right to the groove. Then think and say, Move your arms and hands like a waterfall. A waterfall is a liquid. Stand up straight like a flagpole. A flagpole is a solid. Wiggle your fingers up like water vapor. Water vapor is a gas. Roll your arms around like a wheel. A wheel is a solid. Let's have more fun and move. Breathe in deep and blow out air. Air is a gas. Push piles of dirt like a bulldozer. A bulldozer is a solid. Surf and ride the waves in the ocean. The ocean is a liquid. Chug chug choo choo like a train. A train is a solid. Look all around every day. Observe and think. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Did you enjoy the song, kids? Me too! Now, for your additional activity at home, please take note and answer this in your notebook. Explain your answer on this question in essay type. How will you describe the changes in the properties of the materials when they are exposed to temperature? I will read it again. How will you describe the changes in the properties of the materials when they are exposed to temperature? Did you understand it, kids? That's great! We're done again with another lesson that filled our minds with new learnings and challenges. Be prepared for your next lesson, and if you have queries, don't hesitate to contact your teacher. Stay safe and learn from home. Be sure to listen to School on Air on your scheduled day and time. On behalf of our scriptwriter, Ma'am Marilyn C. Murillo, and the SDO Isabela RBI production team, this is Ma'am Johanna Arcaro, your radio teacher. Till next time!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!